This short video will provide an introduction to the navigation for our course, and I also just wanted to say a couple of things about the assigned textbooks for the class. First off, we have Born in Blood and Fire by John Chasteen. This is the 4th edition right here. It's much prettier than the 3rd edition or the 2nd edition. However, the information inside is essentially the same, although they've numbered the chapters slightly differently. So what I'm getting at is that if you're able to purchase your books online and you're trying to get them as cheaply as possible, please purchase one of the older editions. That would be just fine. And if you do, just send me an email and let me know that you've done that. Tell me which edition you're using, and I can let you know which chapter numbers go with which units, because they don't quite line up. The other book that we'll be reading week in and week out is this one by James A. Wood, Problems in Modern Latin American History. That one, unfortunately, is a 4th edition. It is essential to have the 4th edition because it is significantly different than the others. So please do look for that one wherever you can get it. The last one is The Little School. I don't have my copy with me right this moment, but it's by Alicia Partnoy, and any edition of that will work just fine. We won't be reading that one until the end of the course. The last couple of months we'll be working on that. So just a heads up, we'll be using those 2 texts that I just showed you on a regular basis. So you do need to get some edition of that. In terms of navigating the course, as long as you keep tabs on the syllabus and the learning modules, you will be able to have a checklist of all of the assignments that you need to complete. So the syllabus, the schedule there, and the links there will provide you with information about how to complete all of the various assignments for the class, and it will give you the due dates for the larger assignments, especially the ones associated with the final project. The learning modules provide a checklist and due dates for all of the assignments for each unit. So as long as you've checked the learning module at the beginning of each unit, made sure that you understand when everything is due within the unit, you'll be just fine as far as that goes. Please do note that all of the various assignments have different due dates. So for example, during the first week of each unit is 2 weeks long, with the exception of Unit 1. In Unit 1, all of the work is due at the very end. But beginning with Unit 2, during the first week, you will be reading, and then by the first Sunday, you will post your reading tweets. During the second week, based on the same readings and videos, you will complete your reading worksheet. You will complete your either discussion or blog assignment, and then you will post a journal entry. The reading worksheets and the first step in the discussion or blog are due on the second Wednesday, and the journals and the responses are always due on the second Sunday. So just kind of general overview to help you get a sense of how the class is organized and when the due dates come up. Whenever you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can either email me, send me a text at the number listed in the syllabus, or send me a tweet.